Shashank here. So welcome to the post market analysis on TIDI Academy's YouTube channel. So we'll be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll look at a couple of stocks which you can trade over this week. So Nifty as of now is making good price action to the upside. So we can expect some bullish momentum. So as I have been telling in the previous session, we'll be looking at bullish position trades above 17,800 levels. So the market is continuously failing to sustain 17,800 levels. So the buyers are trying hard to push and close above 17,800 levels, but they are failing. So Nifty is trading in a very small zone, so about 300 point zone for the last 4 days. So once you get a bullish closing above 17,800 levels, you can expect Nifty to go to 18,100 levels. So which was a previous high. You can get a good 300 point trade in Nifty after it breaks 17,800 levels. And we need a green candle daily time frame closing so that we get a full confirmation that the market has given a good breakout. So this is on the daily time frame, and we have a good support if the bearish side is concerned. We have a good support at 17,600 levels, and if the market is breaking those levels, you can expect the market to come down to 17,300 levels. So this is Nifty on the daily time frame. So we'll move down to the intraday levels. So from the past 2 days, you can observe in Nifty that the market is opening on a gap up on both the days, and the market had a downtrend initially, but in the last hour both the days have shown massive recoveries. So the previous day had come to the opening after a big downtrend, and today also we had a massive recovery in the last hour. So as of now, we'll still be expecting a green candle closing above 17,800 levels to build positional trades for buyers. So all the sellers are making pretty good money as Nifty is trading in the same range from the past few days. So it has been a very small range, 300 point range. So buyers have not been able to make a lot of money when the market is not directional. So we'll expect some direction in a few days from here. So after we get a closing above 17,800 levels, we'll be expecting bullish momentum. And the bearish trades who are concerned, you should be looking to short anything below 17,720 levels. So if you get price action below this level, so you can go to short side trades. You can keep a target of 17,600 levels. So bullish side trades, if you get a price action above 17,800, you can enter on the bullish side trade uh, for people who are concerned with Nifty. So this is how Nifty is seen for the next week. And we look at Bank Nifty. First, we'll come to the 1 day time frame. So on the daily time frame, Nifty was looking very weak in the last week. So, but this week, Bank Nifty is looking weak after showing very bullish performance in the last week. So it is struggling to break the previous high. So we have a good support in Bank Nifty at 40,500 levels, which needs to act as a good support for us. Market can come to these levels and reverse from here, breaking the previous high, which is the all-time high. So this is what we are looking in Bank Nifty for, and it is looking good as of now to break the all-time high. If the global market stays bullish, we might see market making new highs in Bank Nifty as well. So we'll come down to intraday levels. We'll come to 5-minute time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, Nifty has shown massive recoveries on both the days in the end in the last hour, but Bank Nifty has not shown that much of a recovery. So even Bank Nifty has been trading in one range from the past 3 days. So the sellers option past 4 days, sorry. So option sellers are making very good money as Bank Nifty and Nifty both are trading in a very small range. So as of Bank Nifty, it is 1,200 to 1,800 point range, and Nifty is trading in a 300 point range, which is very good for the seller. So option buyers will look to be positional only above these levels. So 41,000 for 500 levels should be a good breakout for buyers. And if you're looking on the bearish side trades, 40,500 levels being broken, you need to look at bearish side trades in Bank Nifty. So now we'll move on to a few swing stocks. So Maruti is looking extremely good. Maruti Suzuki is looking extremely good as of now. So we have got a green candle closing above the previous high, which is 9,400 levels. So we have a closing above that. So we'll be expecting of a target around 10,300 levels in Bank Nifty, sorry, Maruti Suzuki. So we'll be expecting a target of 10,300 levels. So 10,300 levels should be good. We'll maintain a stop loss of around 200 points. So this is a good risk reward ratio for Maruti Suzuki. You will find some bullish momentum as the stock has broken the previous high. So this is Maruti Suzuki, our first swing stock. And our next stock is Narayana Rudhyalaya. So NH is looking very good, but today it has failed to close above the previous high. We'll wait for a green candle closing above these level, above 770 levels. We'll expect a green candle closing on a daily time frame. So after that, you can get very bullish on the stock. You can trade the stock till 820 levels. So 820 should be your target. You can maintain a stop loss of 750. So 750 should be a good stop loss in the stock, and your target should be 820. So the current price which it is trading at is 762 levels. So we'll be looking at bullish momentum on the stock above 770 levels. So those Narayana Rudhyalaya. So this is it guys for today. So thank you.